ABC Educational Channel.
Hi, kids. Welcome to our learning time. Today, we're going to explore a very important place in our house. The bathroom. We use the bathroom to keep ourselves clean, fresh, and healthy every day. Let's look around and name some things we can see inside. Are you ready? Let's begin. Bathroom vocabulary. Toothbrush. We use a toothbrush to brush our teeth. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Toothpaste helps make our teeth clean and shiny. Toothpaste. Soap. Soap helps wash away dirt and germs. Soap. Shampoo. Shampoo is used to clean our hair. Shampoo. Conditioner. Conditioner makes our hair soft and smooth. Conditioner. Towel. We use a towel to dry our hands and body. Towel. Shower. We stand under the shower to rinse our body. Shower. Bathtub. We take a bath inside the bathtub. Bathtub. Toilet. We use the toilet when we need to go to the bathroom. Toilet. Toilet paper. We use toilet paper after using the toilet. Toilet paper. Sink. We wash our hands and brush our teeth at the sink. Sink. Mirror. We look at our face in the mirror. Mirror. Comb. We use a comb to fix our hair. Comb. Brush. A brush helps us smooth our hair nicely. Brush. Hair dryer. We use a hair dryer to dry our hair after bathing. Hair dryer. Bath mat. A bath mat keeps our feet dry and stops us from slipping. Bath math. Laundry basket. We put dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Laundry basket. Razor. A razor is used by adults to shave hair. Razor. Soap dish. A soap dish holds the soap in place. Soap dish. Tissue box. We use tissues to wipe our face or hands. Tissue box. Body wash. Body wash keeps our body clean and smelling fresh. Body wash. Lotion. Lotion helps keep our skin soft and smooth. Lotion. Deodorant. Deodorant helps us smell nice all day. Deodorant. Toilet brush. It is used to clean the toilet. Toilet brush. Trash bin. We throw away garbage in the trash bin. Trash bin. Bathrobe. We wear a bathrobe after taking a bath. Bathrobe. Faucet. Water comes out from the faucet. Faucet. Scale. We use a scale to check our weight. Scale. Air freshener. It makes the bathroom smell clean and fresh. Air freshener. Great job, kids! You did an amazing job learning all 30 bathroom vocabulary words today. Now you know the names of things we use to stay clean and fresh every day. Remember, a clean body means a healthy you. See you next time for another fun learning adventure. Bye-bye.